Hi guys, how are you? Do you wanna play video game? So you require a running Android emulator on RDP. In the video, I will set up a free but a powerful Windows RDP with 8-core Intel Xeon processor, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, and 1 GB PS port speed, where you can run Android emulator to play your favorite video games smoothly. Now, let's start. First of all, you require a free Kamtara account. Find the link in comment box to grab additional free $100 credit. Enter a valid email ID. Set a strong password. Hit create free account. Now it's time to verify your email address. Go to audio inbox and hit confirmation link. Continue. Hit add billing profile. Fill account information. After filling all the details, hit next button. Here you will get 30-day free usage, 1 cloud server, 1000 GB block storage, 1000 GB bandwidth. In the last step, fill your credit card information. Hit finish button. It will take few moments to verify your payment information, and also it will cut $1 to $2 and revert it in seconds. Go to my cloud, create new desktop. Here you will see 21 data center. I will recommend to choose nearest data center for better latency. Unless you are going to access some paid content, then go for a neutral one. So I am from India, then I am going to choose Hong Kong data center is the nearest one. Choose Windows. Under version, choose Windows 10. In server specs, type A. CPU 8-core, RAM 16 GB, SSD 30 GB. Go to down. In finalized setting, set a strong password. Name your server. Under billing cycle and pricing, I will recommend to choose early billings because you can turn off your server while you are not playing your game. So in this way you can save huge. Now hit create server. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to get installed. Our RDP server has been installed. Now it's time to connect with it. Go to open. Under overview, copy server IP. Open RDP client. Hit add PCs. Paste your server IP. Hit plus. Enter username, which is administrator. Enter password what you had said while configuration. Save it again. Now hit. It will connect with Windows RDP. Connect anyway. Yes. Let's check our server specs, what we have got. Press Windows R, enter DX DIAZ. Yes, we can see memory 16 GB, RAM is 8-core, all good. Okay, launch Internet Explorer. Download Microsoft Edge for better browsing. Let's finish this step quickly. Search BlueStack. Here you will see two type of BlueStack. One is a BlueStack 5, which is good for a high-end RDP. So another is BlueStack 10, which is a cloud-based application which require less resource. I mean, you can run this application on every PC. So if you have a low budget, then you can use this application to play your Android games. So I will download BlueStack 5. Open, run, install. I agree. While our BlueStack is installing, we can check internet speed. Download speed is around 4.3 Gbps and upload speed is around 3.7 Gbps, which is so good. Our BlueStack has been installed. Now I can play video games whole day. So that's all, guys. If you face any issue, let me know in comment box. So thank you for watching this video. See you again.